Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another Advent Calendar unboxing for you. They're not stopping. I've got a few more to unbox before the season ends. And this is Rituals. And this video is in collaboration with Rituals. So thank you to Rituals for sending this Advent Calendar out to me. This is the classic one. You might have already seen my Deluxe Rituals Advent Calendar, the £120.90 I believe it costs. That unboxing went up a good couple of weeks ago. But if you haven't seen it yet, then I'll pop a link down in my description, as well as a link to this one and all my other discount codes and offers for other websites. This classic Advent Calendar retails for £87.90 and it has a value of £150.90. It contains 24 products, 4 of which are candles to be lit every Sunday in December. And the style of this Advent Calendar is styled after their flagship store, the House of Rituals. I haven't opened it up yet. I want to do it with you. I don't know how to open it up. Oh, it's quite easy. Oh, I like this. So pretty. There, managed to do it, no problems. Can you see it all? Hopefully you can see in the screen there. It's so pretty, isn't it? It's huge. It is really, really big. So starting off with day number 1, which is down here, we've got something for your laundry. This is beautiful. This is Ritual of Sakura. This is a laundry deluxe softener and scent booster. And there's 75 mils here. I absolutely adore this scent. And it's rice milk and cherry blossom. Yeah, so nice, especially if you're washing a load of pyjamas or bedding or something like that, yeah. Day number 2 down here, we've got a body mousse to oil. This is a Ritual of Myrrh to energise your soul. Sweet orange and cedarwood, and there's 30 mils. Whoa! I knew that was going to happen the first time you do it. It just obviously, it just goes everywhere. But it's so nice. I'll put it on my arm actually. There, it can stay on my arm then. Foam to oil. Yeah, it leaves your skin feeling super soft. I like that. You only need a tiny bit. Day number 3 here. This is the first candle of Advent. It says Advent Sunday, transform your home into a fragrant haven of violets and orris by lighting this candle on the first Sunday of December. Yeah, I like that. I love this scent. It's a little candle there. I love the traditions. Rituals. Ooh! That wasn't me, that wasn't me. If you can hear a squeaking, going on, it's my chair. It's broken, I need to get a new one, and it's making inappropriate noises now and again. Sometimes I realise, sometimes I don't. But yeah, it's the chair. I'm looking for 4 and I can't find it. Day number 4, where are you? You lot are probably like, Claire, it's there. I can't see it. This is the first time this has ever happened, but I literally cannot find day number 4. So we're going to go to day number 5, and then hopefully at the end we'll be left with day number 4, or unless I spot it along the way. I'm really sorry. We'll go to day number 5. Oh my word. And we've got a special edition or limited edition. This is from the Amsterdam collection. It's a body mist, tulip and Japanese euro, and there's 20 mils there. This is a beautiful collection. I love the design. It's so pretty. And yeah, if I remember rightly, I do really like this as well. Yeah, it's lovely. Tulip and Japanese euro. I don't know what Japanese euro is, but I do love the smell of that. Day number 6 here. Got a shower gel. This is from the Ritual of Haman, a purifying ceremony for body and soul. Refreshing foaming shower gel, 50 mils. Again, this is a really lovely scent. To be honest, no scent that I don't like. It's so fresh. I love this one. Yeah, really nice and invigorating, you know. I love these shower gels. We got a big one, a Ritual of Jing, down in the bathroom at the moment. Day number 7 over here. And we got some skincare. This is Glow Radiance Anti-Aging Serum with Bacterial Repair Complex, and there's 10 mils there. Skin Radiance Anti-Aging Serum. And yeah, that's all it says about it. Just a nice little smell. So we've got skin serum. Day number 8 over here, we have got the Elixir Collection Keratin Recovery Hair Mask, Keratin and Argan Oil, and there's 20 mils. This is the cheapest one of the 3 beauty advent calendars, so I wonder as the prices go up we see bigger sizes, because yeah, I remember Keratin Recovery Hair Mask, but I haven't tried it yet. What day was that? So day number 9. Oh, we've got a soap. Soap bar, sweet orange and cedarwood. This is for the Ritual of Myrrh. I love these. So lovely. Smells amazing. It's the same scent as the foam to oil body mousse. I love a little soap. Day number 10 over here. And we got Second Sunday candle, and this is Savage Garden. I'll just have a read now to see what it says about it. Light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with a warming scent of ancient sage. Yeah, I can smell that. Day number 11 down here. We have got the Ritual of Namaste Conscious Skincare Purified Velvety Smooth Cleansing Foam with Moringa and Holy Lotus. And there's 30 mils there. It says a mild soap-free creaming cleansing foam. Want to smell it? Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I just put it on my nose, didn't I? Yeah, Moringa and Holy Lotus. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells like it's got citrus in there as well. Yeah, so there's that. Day number 12 next to it. We've got the Ritual of Karma. This is a Hydro Boost Complex Instant Care Hand Lotion. And there's 20 mils there. Again, this is another beautiful scent. Oh, what would be my favourite? Oh, I love Ritual of Sakura, but I don't know, maybe this one, Ritual of Karma. I think it is. I think it's this one is my favourite out of them all. I think so, but yeah, it makes my hands nice and soft and smell gorgeous too. Day number 13. I am really having trouble getting these items out. So I've found some scissors to try and help me. Woo! My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. We got shower gel, Sacred Lotus and Jujube, the Ritual of Jing. And there's 30 mils there. Now I've had a foaming shower gel many, many times, included in this advent calendar, but I don't think I've ever had a proper gel. Shower gel. I love this Ritual of Jing. Relaxation, soothing, calming. So nice. So nice. You can imagine, can't you, going into a hotel and just seeing a little selection of Ritual, like bath and body products. Oh, that would really excite me. It's never happened to me, but oh, that would really excite me. Day number 14 down here. This keeps on popping up, so my advice is if you were to get this advent calendar for yourself, then just get some glue, because it just keeps on popping up all the time. So I'm just going to leave it because I've done it about 3 or 4 times now. We've got Ritual of Sakura. This is a recovery hand balm for dry skin. There's 20 mils here. So we've had a hand cream and now we have a hand balm. The Ritual hand balms are really, really lovely. They're really nice and thick and they smell amazing, as all their products do. But yeah, it's just a little bit more luxurious than the hand cream, but really great for applying overnight. Oh, I love that smell. Ritual of Sakura. I love it. Day number 15 up here. We have got another body mist, and this is the Ritual of Karma Hydro Boost Complex Hair and Body Mist with lotus flower and white tea, and there's 20 mils here. Yeah, I'm going to definitely spray this as I love it. I love it. I would fancy a big candle in this actually. Oh, it's so nice. Really, really like uplifting. I love it. I've just spotted number 4 and I can't believe I'm just seeing it clear now. It's down there. What on earth? How come I couldn't see that before? I had one of these in the Deluxe Advent Calendar. It's so pretty. You're supposed to spray it with a nice scent. I think with the deluxe one I had a room spray to go with it, and you can put it on like little tassels and things, and you hang it anywhere you want to, on your tree or anywhere, and it's supposed to give off the smell. I like that, so I've got 2 now. Yeah, I really like that. Plus there's a lot of blue in my living room, so I'll definitely put that on the tree. So that's day number 4. Day number 16 here. We got a 2-in-1 hair and body wash, activated charcoal and mint. This is from their sports range. And there's 70 mils in here. I know my husband loves this. I really like the smell of it. But yeah, they've also got a man's advent calendar if you weren't aware. And this might be in there as well, I'm not too sure. Day number 17 over here. I've just gouged a bit of a hole in this candle. The candles are really hard to get out this advent calendar. We've got Smooth Violet from the Private Collection. And it says, warm your heart and soul with the fragrant notes of violet and sandalwood by lighting this candle on the 3rd Sunday of Advent. Yeah, it's another beautiful one. Day number 18 up here. And I've got a mask and a little spatula. So this is a little sachet, Ritual of Namaste from the Conscious Skincare range. Purifying Charcoal and Wonder Mask with Gasol powder and black mud. And there's 10 grams there. So we've got a spatula to mix it all together, and there's all the instructions there. You just add it with water and then you leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Face mask. Day number 19 here. Ritual of Sakura. This is pearlescent body scrub. I've never had this before. Bamboo cherry blossom, 70 mils. Ritual of Sakura. I've had many products, but not a pearlescent body scrub. Wow. Okay, let's try a little bit on my hand, on my arm, not my hand. Can you see that? Exfoliating body scrub. That smells amazing. Oh, it just smells so gorgeous. But I wonder if you rinse it off, it'll just leave your skin looking sort of pearlescent. Let's have a try. Yeah, just use a wipe to get that off. Well, it's left my skin feeling super soft anyway and smells nice. But no. No. I haven't got a sheen or a shine to my skin. It's just left it really nice and soft. So that's day number 19, I think that was, wasn't it? Day number 20 here. And we've got a body oil. This is Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. Nourishing, rich body oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. And there's 30 mils here. This is a beautiful scent as well. Oh, you're getting fed up of me saying the same thing, aren't you? I just know you are. Yeah, Claire, we all know. But no, honestly, it is such a nice smell. I hate rose, but I love Indian rose. Ultra nourishing body oil. Yeah. Day number 21. Oh, this is the new smell. It's a limited edition. It's a gold foaming shower gel and it's plum and cedar wood. And oh, it's from the Legend of the Dragon range. And it was this household spray that I had with the little dangly tassel thing in my other advent calendar. It's a really nice smell. It's not something that I would have thought I would like because it's quite strong, but it is a nice unusual smell then, you know. But yeah, so we've got a shower gel there. Day number 22, we've got a Ritual of Jing. This is a soothing body cream to relax, and there's 70 mils here. I love the Ritual of Jing sleep spray, the pillow spray. That's my favourite ever sleep spray. It's beautiful. The scent is just really nice. Day number 23 here. Got a really pretty shimmering body oil, and this is the Ritual of Karma, 30 mils. Can you see that? So this leaves some shimmer on your skin. See? Yeah, it's pretty. Got Ritual of Karma body oil. Day number 24, the last day of the advent calendar. And I'm guessing it's a candle. Yes, it is. Woo! That nearly fell on the floor. We have got Wild Fig Private Collection. It says, fragrance your home this Christmas with an enticing combination of juicy ripe Indian fig, Chinese orris and a fresh spicy clove accord. Wild Fig scented candle. With these candles, because they're small, you're not going to be able to fill the room with fragrance. So they're great for putting in a hallway or putting on like a coffee table near you. But obviously the larger the candle, then the more aroma fills the room. So those are 24 products inside the classic Rituals Advent Calendar. It costs £87.90 and has a value of £150.90. Besides this flopping off, which can be rectified just by putting a bit of glue there. I just left it. If you're new to Rituals, I think this Advent Calendar would be really lovely because it gives you an idea of all the different ranges, the different scents from the different ranges. Yeah, I love the fact that we've got the candles, we've got body lotions, we've got some skincare in there as well, and some fragrances. Yeah, just overall a really nice calendar. As you go up to the middle one, there is larger sizes, and obviously once you get right up to the top one, which I believe is £189, then I think that's all full-size products. So the higher value, the bigger the sizes, essentially. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get it for yourself, or are you thinking, you don't know? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.